hear me. Well, I'm really honored to be here today in this special, exceptional gathering. I want to thank David Coe, Roger, Rogelio Los Santos, Thomas, Saeed for Jackie and Plug and Play for welcoming us, because for us it's very important to promote Mexico and to link more Silicon Valley with Mexico. Silicon Valley has a long track towards by biggest minds and oldest startups. Mexico has emerged as a dynamic hub for startups, especially from Latin America, seeing our country as a getaway to new markets. And maybe some of you are not thinking or think that Mexico is still like a maquila country, and that's not anymore. This initiative is precisely to designate, designed to provide insights into the opportunities that Mexico offers as a partner in technology, innovation, and investment, foster collaboration, and explore the vast opportunities that Mexico offers in the fields of technology and investment by highlighting our country's strengths such as highly skilled workforce, advanced research institutions, and a rapidly growing tech ecosystem. I have here some previous slides because I don't want to take too much time for the whole event. But what is important to see and the need to integrate more and make a strong region from North America. We are the second largest economy in the world, exporter leader in Latin America, and we are the 9th largest exporter worldwide. It's U.S. is our main trading partner to see 800 billion of total trade in 2023. We already surpassed China as and Canada as main partners from the United States. We have a lot of computers, electronic products, electrical equipment, and components. It's 25.2% of our trade. So, and it's in both sides. So that shows how integrate our economies right now. And California is the main importer with a 14.6% of our trade. So here is an overview of some of the investments that are the big companies, many of them in the automotive area, but also you can see we have already the main tech companies in our country. We have 36 billion in foreign direct investment in 2023, and in the first semester of 2024, it's 45.5 billion that was already announced. The 9th largest recipient in the world of foreign investment, and the 5th among OECD countries. The top origin is the United States, Spain, and Canada. You can see the difference of investment from the United States and the other countries. The main sectors that we received the foreign development investment, foreign direct investment in manufacturing, 18 billion, financial service, $7.2 billion, and mining, $3.5 billion. And you see around the country the main developed areas that we have. We have already free trade agreements with around 50 countries. That is really an advantage. If you see our geography, we are really connected with north, south, east, and west. So that keeps us as a very interested focus on investments from the different regions, regarding also our vicinity with the United States. And we have in the North America region, these countries, 1.5 trillion in trade, 6% of global trade, and 17% of global GDP. So it's to show the importance as the different markets that you can achieve through Mexico. And we have also 30 agreements to promote reciprocal investment. So those are international investment flows and provide a certainty to operations with other 31 countries. United States, the new FUMEC, as you know, is going to be reviewed in a couple of years more. And it's a new era of trade and business in North America. It sets forth innovation trade rules to address this 21st century challenge in areas as digital trade provisions, IP investment protections, innovative environmental and labor policies, customs and trade facilitation, resources and support, focus on innovation and competitiveness, and semiconductor snails. It's an area that it has been started developed in Mexico. We have, for example, regional integration that car parts can cross the border 8 times before completing a vehicle. And the Learjet 85 is developed in Canada, manufactured in Mexico, in Quintana Roo state, and assembled in the US. So that's the advantage of the North American region. What is important is that our country is a young population country. It's, and also we have a lot of talent. Young, productive, and specialized human capital. You see, 10 most populous countries in the world. More than 60 million people are part of the labor force. The median age of the Mexican population is 29 years old, and is one of the 10 OECD countries with the highest number of graduates per year. 943,000 of graduates. The 25% of these graduates hold a STEM degree. Our population, 59.3% are men, and 40 in the labor force, sorry, and 40.7% women. And a total more or less of 130 million people. Here is our information. I don't want to take more time because we know that we have an extraordinary persons, expositors that are going to have more conversation and introduce to other opportunities that we have for investment in our country. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.